once you go home, there might be excess milk as well. Initially, you would have complained that there is very less milk, no milk. But over time, the amount of milk output will start increasing rapidly and the mother breast will start overflowing, and sometimes you might be even throwing out this milk. So if any of you are having excessive milk and are throwing milk, please do not do it. Kindly store it in a bottle. How to do it will be advised to you by the lactation nurse, and this milk can be utilized in our milk bank. Okay, so why am I telling all this is because we do have a milk bank. It's not a commercial one, and it is only to help and save many other babies. There are many, this is a level 3 tertiary NICU setup that we have in this hospital, where they have a number of small babies ranging from anywhere from 600 grams to about 1 to 1.5 kg also. So here the mothers of these babies are not having good amount of milk output, basically because the baby is a preterm baby, and then she's under stress because the baby is admitted in the NICU, and probably she's not sleeping well, she's not eating well, and that's why the milk output is less. And there is no bonding also for the mother because the baby is in the NICU. As a result, the amount of milk that is coming is very less. So for such babies, we require only mother's milk or human milk. So if there is any excess milk from you all that you all are going to donate, this can be utilized for these babies. So why this particular milk and why not the top feed? Because the top feed does not have the correct proportion of nutrients, the correct amount of protein or the right protein. It does not have a right balance of bacteria. So all this is lacking in the formula feeds, and only the human milk has the right balance of protein, bacteria, the carbohydrates, the sugars, everything that is required for the baby is there in appropriate and right amounts in the human milk only. So if any of you are having excess amount of milk, please do donate it. And for further information, you can contact the milk bank, which is located on the 3rd floor in Ankura Hospital. Thank you.